Okay, Gary's Tour fans, this is going to be a video of what it's like to walk up 8th Avenue on a Saturday afternoon. A beautiful Saturday afternoon in the fall. And 8th Avenue, as it happens today, is closed. The cars has become a place for merchants to sell stuff. Food of all kinds are available here. Tacos, soda, tacos of all types. What do they have here? Scarves are coming back as it gets colder. Colombian bakery. What are Colombian bake products? I think some of them have like that. Chorizo, it's Colombian shrimp sausage. I've had that. Chorizo, burrito, I've had that stuff. I had a friend who was married to a Colombian. She taught me about those sort of things. The sun is perfect, it's right behind us, it's right where it should be. I'm going to walk up and see the stores they have here and the people. It's the most fun. Hats. Could hats be coming back? I doubt it. I don't wear hats of any kind. I don't wear baseball hats. I don't wear any kind of hats. I should have a lot of hair because I don't wear hats.
In case you don't know what this is Tim Dog.
And what do we have here? Jewelry. We used to call these notions. Things you might want to buy, but probably not. And perfume, $30 and up. Those are what they call sort of like knockoff perfume.
You've heard of that.
Oh yes, but I sell it to women also.
Pick wallets, jewelry. These are all vendors and food people. The jerk spot. How about that? Let's see what's on the next block. Things you see when you come to Manhattan, you wouldn't normally expect to see. There's always something going on. One block over today is the No Kings March and rally. Ah, chicken kebab. How about that? Looks good. We're having a pita. I'm not hungry right now, but if I was, that'd be tasty. Clothing, all kinds. Shirts. Shirts of every size.
You can't get the concentration enough of the
Handmade tools. Nice to find food, the most interesting part of this. I love oil. Great way to spend a Saturday afternoon. Sunglasses. New York Life, they're selling life insurance here too. Can't sell too much of anything. Corn in the cup. Corn in the cup, you get corn in the cup. How about it? Sweet moment. What is a sweet moment? It's like candy fruit.
That separate from music? Probably a little bit more often once in like higher
Street food. What kind of street foods they have here? rice,
Wow. No,
Which
keep
was
spinning off
fries?
the fridge.
chicken, and rice, macaroni, coleslaw,
Well,
smoke here.
if it's a very good one, it is.
Yeah, a lot of smoke. Jewelry, clothing, kettle corn. I guess that's the type of popcorn, I think. Fresh pop kettle corn. You can smell it. Bottoms for ladies' store. More jewelry. This jewelry is very profitable to sell. We're walking in the middle of 8th Avenue. How often do you get to do that? Here's a truck that sells lobster rolls. $20. That's a deal. Lobster rolls at most places are $30. Okay, let's see what else we got. Sick. Let's see what other little food places we have here. More candied food. French crepes. I love French crepes. Let's see what they look like. They look like pizza. I like crepes with that myself. Lots of alcohol on it. Aqua fresca. Drinks, cold drink. More clothing, children's clothing. Stalls are thinning out. This might be the last block of it. We're in Hell's Kitchen. This is the Hell's Kitchen section of New York on 8th Avenue. More jewelry. It doesn't look too hellish today. It looks pretty nice, actually. The weather is beautiful today. For perfume, clothing, shirts, display only, cane, fresh juice, vitamin C, or corn dog. Now let's just walk up the rest of 8th Avenue and look at the beautiful people. There are lots of beautiful people here. Most people are beautiful in their own way. This is being brought to you by Gary's Tours. You see the red button on the lower right-hand side. Punch that and subscribe. And hit the like button, if you will. Makes the algorithm for YouTube happy.
I know. Because like we think that's we should like do it.
Subscribing doesn't cost anything, it's free. You just get a 2-second blurb every time we publish a new video. So far we've published about 300 videos in the last year and a half or so.
Yeah, that means that you have water if you have revenue. Yeah.
Let's see if there's a barbershop, hairdresser, hairstyles. Highlights for $150. Sounds like a deal. See what other people we see here on 8th Avenue.
I don't know exactly.
People are out walking around, enjoying the beautiful weather. Soon it'll be really cold. People won't be walking around quite as much. And I've told you previously, when you see these roofs, when you come to New York and you're walking over and see this roof over the sidewalk, that's to protect us from getting hit in the head with a 2x4, nails, hammers, other debris that may fall down from the 40th floor, and will go right through your skull and kill you. So the city has a law. If you're going to do work on buildings, you have to put the scaffolding with a roof over the sidewalk so that passerbys don't get killed in falling debris. They've had that law a long time. But whenever you see it, you know a building is being modernized. Something's being done to the building to make it better. And this roof above our head protects us. It'd be really bad to get hit with a hammer to falling from the 40th floor. People are thinning out here.
And they're like, oh, they don't care at all.
We're up to, what street are we up to now?
And I said, no. I said, I think it's probably,
TD Bank.
these numbers are right numbers. And the other
Toronto Dominion Bank.
what
Canadian bank that has come to New York and taken over. Those Canadians take over. Well, the traffic is thinning out. It's not as exciting as it was looking at all those food places. So we're going to stop this video and thank you for watching. Watch some of our other videos if you like. We have videos of tours of almost every building in New York City. Some tours of Jones Beach. Tours of the Bronx Botanical Gardens. Wall Street. Lots of videos in our channel. Take a look at them. Hope you enjoy them. Bye.